For the first time, Census 2027 will geotag all buildings. Let's see how it works and why it matters. What's new in Census 2027? India's next census, April to September 2026, for house listing population enumeration in 2027 will be fully digital. For the first time, every building will be geotagged. Residential, non-residential, partly residential, landmarks, everything. How geotagging will be done? During the house listing operations phase, which is April to September 2026, enumerators will visit assigned house listing blocks. They will use a mobile app with GPS location turned on, using digital layout mapping to mark each building's latitude and longitude. Each building will also be classified as residential, non-residential, partly residential, landmark, etc. Why this geotagging matters? 1. Due to accuracy, it avoids duplication or omission of buildings, something earlier hand-drawn maps or notional sketches often missed. The efficiency and workload management. Estimating how many buildings or households per block helps divide labor more fairly among 34 plus lakh enumerators. Better data for policy and urban planning. Infrastructure, public services delivery of welfare schemes all can be more targeted when exact locations are known. The government has already identified select areas in Tamil Nadu for digital pre-test census in November-December 2025 to trial these methods. States like Rajasthan are preparing for the first fully digital census in 2027, including caste data after many decades. Oversight committees at state level, example Maharashtra, are being formed to monitor implementation progress. The potential challenges: digital divide and tech readiness. To all enumerators and residents have the smartphone access, GPS or data connectivity. Privacy and data security. Mapping buildings with exact GPS info raises questions of misuse, classification and field problems. In dense urban areas, partly residential or mixed-use buildings might be hard to classify. Ensuring completeness. Remote or rural areas, informal settlements could be missed if not properly planned. Geotagging every building in Census 2027 isn't just about clicking maps. It's about accuracy, inclusion, and smarter planning. What do you think? Will this transform governance, or will implementation be the real test? Drop your thoughts below. Hit like if you want more updates on Census 2027. And don't forget to subscribe for more explainers.